Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to be making a boat, but with a small paper. Okay, so I got like paper, big paper, small paper, and look it. Okay, so I already did some of it, so we're gonna get to it if you guys don't know how to do it. Okay, and by the way, this is my first video, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up, please, thank you. My first video, so give me some love, show me some love out there, you guys. I need some fans. Okay, anyway. So what you want to do is just like close it like this, and then crease it. Just crease it. And then next, you'll want to just close it like this, and then crease it. Crease it. So next you want to open it up like a book, okay? Like a book. See how it's like a book? Yeah. You are going to want to put this side. Oh wait, I'm sorry, not this side. The other side, like that. You know how it don't open, but this one opens. Don't get the one that opens. You'll want to just make the airplane. Just make that airplane. Like, yeah. I forgot to tell you what I'm making. Today I'm making a paper boat. Just in case I did not tell you or whatever I did not say. Okay, back to the video. So you want to crease it once you just make that airplane, you know? And then you want to get this bottom piece. Right here, this bottom piece, right here. And then just put it on top like this. So I'm going to show you guys. And make sure you guys are lining it up. Then you're going to do this other side. So once you guys did that, like it's a hat, you know, then you guys did the back side. You're going to want to just like bend this one, you know, bend those two, and then do this to the other side. So I won't stick it out. Just bend them how you want to bend them. Like that. It's bent. So next you want to open it up like this, like it's a hat. Like that. Okay. And then once you open it up like it's a hat, you want to just close it up like that. And then it's going to turn out to be looking like this. Like a diamond. And then once you did that, you're going to want to pull this up. Then you're going to want to do the other side. I'm going to show you guys in a minute just in case you guys don't understand. So you guys, when it's like this, you guys just pull that up. Then to the other side, pull it up. Then you guys going to open this up like that. And then just close it like this on the other side, like that. Okay? Then you guys want to open them like this. And then just make sure it's right, you know. Don't want to make it so crusty and rusty and all that stuff. And then, yeah, just open it up like this. And here you have it. You have your boat. So, yes, I made 2 boats. So if you guys enjoyed this wonderful video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, I just said that, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, bye. Give me some love, some fans, y'all know, I just want some fans out here. This is my first video. Anyway, I'm making a YouTube channel name. So just comment, what should I name my YouTube channel? And that really helps for you guys to watch my videos. Thank you. Goodbye. I will see you guys in my next video. I had to think. But, bye.